What was the silent feature of all literature's suggestive quality? Famous novel War and Peace is written by Leo Tolstoy. Who wrote the Iliad? Homer. A person who writes about own life writes an autobiography. The first dictionary was compiled by Samuel Johnson. Who of the following was both a poet and a painter? Blake. Who is the famous satirist in English literature? Swift. Gulliver's Travels is written by Jonathan Swift. Kids belong to 19th century. What is the full name of O. Henry? William Sidney Porter. Nobel Prize winner American lady novelist Pearl S. Buck. Famous Irish poet and dramatist is W. B. Yeats. Who is the author of Who is the author of Animal Farm? George Orwell. Who is the greatest modern English dramatist? J.B. Shaw. Who is the author of Gulliver's Travels? Jonathan Swift.